Hey, good afternoon. It is turning out to be a very sunny day. This morning it was raining all over the place, kind of misting up a little bit. And so wind is not too terrible, so we lit the fire today. And I don't know if you could tell, but that's the inside flue of the old chimney, which we didn't use. It was masonry. And then the blocking that was all the way up. So reused it because I need to burn a few big things. One of them, or one aspect of them, is my handmade cabinets that I built a little less than a year ago. So it's kind of a bittersweet day, but it's healing. It's a healing process. You know, I built them, so I'm gonna destroy them. And yeah, the kitchen was pretty nice. I'll throw in some shots right here. And we actually were showcased on General Finish's website. So it was a gorgeous kitchen. Started out with nothing but rough cut lumber, so they just cut it right off the tree with a chainsaw, I'm assuming. And then they took it on a bandsaw and cut it all into slabs, and then they cut it up into smaller pieces, and that's what I got. So it wasn't squared up, it wasn't smooth or anything like that, and I took it, bought the tools to make it smooth and square, and learned how to do it, and that was my first run at cabinetry. Turned out pretty nice. So I'm looking forward to the next round. Don't know if I'll be making them myself though. It was a process, long process. Granted, I know how to do it much quicker now, and I wouldn't do them the same exact way. I think I know a better way to do them. But that's what I'm doing right now. Tomorrow we have a whole crew coming in to demo the area, and they need to get into the kitchen. So in order to do that, I've got to burn all the drawers. I could have thrown them in the dumpster, but they take up room. We have a fresh dumpster. It's only 20 yards, and we have a lot of sheetrock that needs to go, and a lot of other stuff that needs to go too. But that's what we're focusing on because that's the hardest to take off. So yeah, that's where we're at. I also decided to make a little chimney that Blair is not too thrilled about. And she might make me take it down. I don't know, is my redneck showing? I don't know. In any case, I enjoy it. I actually had it going yesterday. But this is what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna grab some water, sweating like crazy, and it is hot. So hope y'all are doing well. Hope you can hug your families right now. If you can't, hug them later, and always check your smoke detectors because they save lives. Have a good one, everyone. Tell you what, if I get 100 likes on this video, I am keeping the chimney. Sorry, hon. This'll change your mind. Maybe not.